Hi, hello there, Jonathan here, and today I'm going to very quickly show you how to conference together two Leitner Premium Plus wireless headsets for training or whatever you like. Alright, to pair a second headset temporarily to your primary headset for conference calls or what have you, you'll need, of course, both those headsets and the primary charging base plugged into power. We're going to start by taking the primary headset out of the base, turning that headset on, and we're going to leave that headset turned on and place the headset on your head because we're going to be listening to some tones on the headset for this next part that we do. So go ahead and place that on your head, leave it turned on, take the secondary headset, place it on a charging base, and we're going to see some purple flashing on the focus light for both the base and the headset. And we should see the focus light on the headset flash blue. When it does, lift it from the cradle. The headset will automatically turn on and you'll hear a series of tones in your headset. Once you've done that, you're all paired up and ready to rock and roll. If you need to mute the secondary headset, that works just like it does in any other scenario. Just press and hold for 1 second on either volume button. Just make sure to leave your primary headset turned on for as long as you want to keep the secondary headset paired. That's it. You're all done. There you have it. You should now be able to pair together multiple Leitner Premium Plus wireless headsets for training. And of course, if you have any other questions or you need any other help at all, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.